In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SWOT diagram in Canva. A SWOT diagram is a simple, powerful way to map out strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats so you can make smarter decisions. We'll walk through picking the right canvas, finding a clean template, labeling each section, and polishing the design so it's clear and useful. Start by opening Canva in your browser or the app and signing in if you need to. Once you're on the home page, choose the format that best fits where your SWOT will live. Pick presentation if you'll show it on slides, social media if it's going on a feed or story, video if you want motion-friendly layouts, or whiteboard if you need a flexible space for brainstorming with a team. Any of these will work. The choice just shapes the default size and layout. Open your design to enter the editor. You'll see your blank workspace with panels on the side. We're going to build from a template to save time and keep things consistent. In the search bar inside the Templates panel, type SWOT Analysis. Canva will pull up a wide range of ready-made layouts. Scroll until you find a design that matches your tone, clean and corporate, bold and creative, or minimal and simple. Click a template to apply it to your page. Don't worry about colors or fonts yet. You can quickly change those in a moment. Now, label the 4 sections clearly: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. If the template has placeholder headings, just replace them with those exact terms. Keep your headings consistent in style, same font, size, and capitalization, so the diagram feels cohesive. As you add text in each area, think of strengths as internal advantages, weaknesses as internal limitations, opportunities as external chances to grow, and threats as external risks to plan for. Use short, scannable lines so each point is easy to read at a glance. Edit as needed to make the diagram crystal clear. Adjust colors to match your brand or to distinguish each quadrant. Just maintain strong contrast for readability. Tweak fonts so headings stand out and body text stays legible. Avoid overly decorative styles for the main content. Align elements so boxes, icons, and text line up neatly, and keep even spacing between items. If your template includes graphics or shapes, use them sparingly to guide the eye without clutter. You can duplicate text boxes to maintain consistent sizing and use grouping to move related elements together. Step back and make sure the layout looks balanced, the labels are unmistakable, and each section's content is concise. And that's it. Your SWOT diagram in Canva is ready to use and share in your next discussion or presentation.